Class 2 GK. Okay, let's start with GK now. Okay. So now this one we have done previous day. This one also we have finished previous day. Now today we'll do this. My body fact. Write the date. 39. My body fact. My body fact. What will be it, please? My body fact. Now, our body. See, our body is a wonderful machine. Let me tell you some of the awesome fact about our sense organs. Awesome means very different fact. Very wonderful fact. Awesome means wonderful fact which no one knows about our sense organs. What are our sense organs? First tell me. What are sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. See, eyes, tongue, skin. Eyes, tongue, skin, ear, nose. These are the 5 sense organs. Okay. We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Nose, ears, skin, tongue, eyes. Now there are some wonderful things about sense organs, different things which everyone should know what our sense organ does. Now see. Now we'll come to know all these things. These are just facts which we should know. Number 1. Our nose can identify and remember 50,000 different scents. This is our nose. Our nose can remember and identify. It can make out and it can remember how many type of scent? 50,000 different type of scent it can smell and it can remember also. Okay, this is our nose. Then again nose. Nose and ears never stop growing. They always grow throughout our life. Your nose and ears will always grow. They will never stop growing. They will always grow and they will grow till throughout our life. Throughout our life they will grow. What will grow? Which part? Our nose and ear will grow. Okay. Then skin. Our skin is the largest organ in our body. Skin. This is the largest organ of our body. Why? Because whole body is covered with skin. Because why? Because our whole body is covered with skin. So it is the largest organ. Number 4. Our tongue is one of the shortest muscle in our body and is able to heal from injury more quickly than other parts of our body. Now, our tongue is what? The shortest, or means the small muscle. Our tongue is one of the strongest. Our tongue is one of the strongest muscle in our body. Means it is too much strong. Our tongue is very much strong muscle in our body. And it is able to heal. Suppose you get hurt, your tongue is cut, it is bleeding, you get hurt, it can heal, it can recover very fast. It is able to heal from injury more quickly than other parts of the body. So what is tongue? Tongue is the strongest muscle in our body, and if it get hurt, it can recover very fast than other parts of the body. It can recover, means it can make out, means if you get hurt, if your tongue gets hurt, it recovers very fast than other parts of our body. Our eyes can differentiate about 10 million different color. Next is our eyes. Our eyes can differentiate. Can differentiate means can make difference about 10 million different colors. If eyes sees 10 million different color, it can make out the different color. What are the different colors our eyes has seen? Okay, eyes can differentiate 10 million different colors. Next is, we spend nearly 10% of our waking hours with our eyes closed while blinking. Okay, when you sleep, you wake up. When you wake up, you spend 10% of our waking hours with our eyes closed while blinking. Okay, we spend what? 10% of our waking hours with our eyes closed with blinking. When you wake up, you close your eyes is closed but you blink 10%. Okay, 10% of our waking hours with our eyes closed blinking. Okay, we close our eyes and we blink. Okay, before waking up, waking hours, when you wake up. Okay, now if human eyes were a digital camera, it would have 576 megapixel. You have megapixels in mobile phone cameras, So if our eye was a camera, digital camera, then it could have, our eye could have, it could have 576 megapixels. Okay, our eyes is so strong that it can have 576 megapixels. Now, children can recognize a wider variety of noise than an adult. Children, small children can recognize, can identify the different type of sounds. Okay, they can recognize different type of sounds or noises than an adult person, than a big person. Okay, children can recognize now. Having excessive body hair indicate one's higher level of intelligence. You will see many person has too much body hair, hairs on the body. If they have many body hairs, that means it indicate they have higher level of intelligence, their IQ, they are more intelligent than other, higher level of intelligence, that means they are more intelligent than others if you have more body hair. Okay, now we feel giddy, giddy or dizzy. We feel giddy or dizzy when there is a quick change in any of the five senses. If any of the five senses is, there is a change, then we will feel dizzy, means we'll feel sleepy. Okay, we feel sleepy if there is any change in the five senses, we feel sleepy. Okay, these are some facts, these are some body facts. Okay, the body facts you read and you know them. Okay, there's no homework for you, you just read the 9 points and you know them very well. Okay, there's nothing to learn, you just know them and you understand it, you read it and you understand it. Clear for today? This much. Thank you.